something stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again, feel it again, feel it again. Unlock the cage and
Point to everyone, to Admiral, Prisha, Ika, and Poe. May this celebration of your daughter, Amaryllis, be blessed with good health, wealth, and happiness.
Happy birthday, Pumpkin! It's been a year living in this world. I just want you to be always be grateful, thankful, and blessed. And I wish ko be still pretty and young like me. Thank you.
Hi Pumpkin, happy birthday. I wish you good health and always be humble. We're always here for you. We love you.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got
Happy birthday, anak. Laki mo, panood mo to. Lagi mo lang tatandaan at lagi ko naman lagi sinasabi sa iyo na mahal kita. Ikaw yung blessing na dumating sa amin ng mami mo na hindi namin makakalimutan kailanman. Okay? Ang wish ko sa iyo ngayon sa first birthday mo, syempre, good health, and then matupad mo yung pangarap mo. Wow, first birthday, pangarap maganda. And then, yun, manatili ka lang sana maging kaligayahan sa amin ng mami mo. Yung laging napapasaya mo kami. Ako, nawawala pagod ko pag nakikita ko yung smile mo, tinatawag mo akong daddy. Sana, paglaki mo, tawagin mo pa rin akong daddy. Lagi mo pa rin akong kikis, tiyahag. And yun lang. See you again sa next birthday mo. Love you.
every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a next.
Happy birthday, Prisha Amaryllis, ang aking number one baby. Wish ni Mami sa birthday mo is lumaki ka pang smart, may takot kay Lord, and of course, jolly, wag iyakin, di ba? And matuto makisalamuha sa mga tao. Yun lang naman, gusto ko lang lagi kang healthy and lagi mo kaming lalambingin ni Mami at hindi Daddy. Ayun lang. Happy birthday, anak. I love you so much.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. We're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now.